Today we're walking down one of the most famous avenues in all of Brazil, Avenida Paulista. This is the financial heart of São Paulo, one of the largest urban economies on earth, and a place where luxury apartments, massive banks, street artists, protesters, students, and food vendors all collide on one incredible boulevard. We're going to start off by showing off Busiest del Vino. Looks like you got this little ring a bell and get your glass of wine, or maybe even a caipirinha, who knows. But we're going to hop across the street, go to the other side where there is no sun. And we may have missed this light, so I'm going to cut you off here and catch you on the other side. All right, here we go, heading across, guys. We are crossing Avenida Paulista. More than 1.5 million people pass through this avenue every single day. Depending where you're at, Paulista can feel like New York, Tokyo, Mexico City, Miami, all blended together. There's a little fox dog. Check out that guy. Take him in a whiz. And we're heading into the sun a little bit at this point, so it feels a little bit more like Miami than anywhere else. 28 degrees Celsius. Getting there's more than 22 million people in the São Paulo metro area. This avenue was originally created in 1891. São Paulo's coffee barons. Obviously, we know about Brazil's coffee, number one exporter of coffee in the world. Lots of skyscrapers here, multinational banks. Whole line of whooshes here. You can grab these electric scooters, get around the city. We'll hear Portuguese everywhere in São Paulo. Also Japanese in places. Number one Japanese community outside of Japan. Paulista is diverse for the amount of office workers, students, tourists, immigrants, luxury shoppers, street performers, entrepreneurs, activists, and people simply trying to survive in the city. Got some vendors set up on the side here. And this is a mega city, São Paulo, by itself. If it was its own country, its economy would rank among one of the largest in the world. do also have the MASP museum in this part of town. The museum contains the works of artists like Picasso, Van Gogh, Renoir, and Rembrandt. Sao Paulo is often called the city that never stops working. Average income around Paulista is significantly above the average in Brazil. Living costs are also extremely high to offset that. One of the coolest things about Avenida Paulista that happens on Sundays, the city shuts down the avenue to cars. This is a Saturday, but on Sundays you can see live music, dancing, artists, bike riders, food vendors, political groups, families walking dogs, roller skaters, and thousands upon thousands of people enjoying the city. There is the Brazilian Financial Center. One thing Sao Paulo does extremely well is food. The city has legendary pizza, incredible Japanese food, amazing Lebanese cuisine, Brazilian barbecue, street stacks, bakeries, and some of the best coffee culture in all of Latin America. You'll notice a heavy security presence here. Lots of police around these buildings. That's normal in Sao Paulo. They have a much more stronger police presence than many American cities. And here we are at a burger, shake, and fries place. Guys, 24 hours. I believe we're going to call it for this video. I'm going to run here and get me a bird. So please hit that subscribe button, like if you like this video, and we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.